Wagwan people, welcome to Destination Jamaica. Hey, hey. So I'm in a beach state of mind. In the famous words of Beanie Man, let's go to the beach, have a party in the sun. It's still COVID time, so we're gonna take you digitally, virtually to the beach, so that when things free up and you can visit the beach, you know where to go, or you're reminded of where to go. We're actually doing a series of 7 water bodies that you need to visit in Jamaica, and we decided to kick it off with the beach because we love the beach. So the beach that we're going to talk about is the 7 Mile Beach in Negril, known for beautiful sunrises and sunsets. Long, extensive beach that you can walk along for those romantic walks and running and exercise, or just to soak up the view, or to chill and eat and listen to music, or to do yoga. This beach is one for many purposes. So I'm going to share a little bit about the 7 Mile Beach in Negril. But before we even talk about the 7 Mile Beach, let's talk about Negril, a popular tourist area in Jamaica. Now, Negril is a small but widely dispersed beach resort town located across 2 parts of Jamaica. Well, 2 Jamaican parishes, which is Westmoreland and Hanover. Negril is about an hour and 15-minute drive on the coastal highway from Sir Donald Stansa International Airport in Montego Bay. Westmoreland is the westernmost parish in Jamaica, located on the south side of the island. Downtown Negril, the West End Cliff resorts to the south of downtown, and the southern portion of the so-called 7 Mile Beach are in Westmoreland. The northernmost resorts on the beach are in the Hanover Parish. The nearest large town is Savannah Lamar, the capital of Westmoreland. Alright, so that's a little bit about Negril, Westmoreland, right? So let's speak about the beach. Now, 7 Mile Beach, it actually has a history of pirates. In fact, it was once said to have been ruled by a group of unruly pirates. But those days long gone. No pirates are there right now, unless one is residing on the beach that we don't know of. So nowadays, 7 Mile Beach is famous for being the most, some people would argue, beautiful beach in Jamaica, or at least one of the most, for its pristine shores and gorgeous sand, right? Some days you'll find a larger crowds than others on Negril 7 Mile Beach, but mostly the size of the beach accommodates in a way that you won't have to be stepping over people just to find a good spot. So a good place to set up on by the 7 Mile Beach is somewhere you'll be able to take in the views of the surrounding cliffs, feel the ambiance of the beach with the palm trees swaying and dancing, and also even catch a glimpse of the mysterious lighthouse. The Negril Beach, 7 Mile Beach, is so big that depending on where you go, you can have that private spot to yourself or with minimum people. But it's something to definitely visit again and again. It's called 7 Mile Beach, but it's actually not 7 miles. It consists of a long 4 mile stretch, while the other 3 miles extend into Bloody Bay. So some people are disputing that it's not quite 7 mile, but it does have 4 mile stretch and another 3 miles extended into Bloody Bay. And if you don't know, it is located just off the main thoroughfare of Norman Manley Boulevard. Now, there's so much that you can do at Negril Beach. Other than chilling, you can do snorkeling, scuba diving, and explore the underwater life just off the shore along the coral reefs. There you will see, or possibly see, boxfish, stingrays, angelfish, seahorses, goatfish, and so much more. It is a great spot also for beginners because the if you're a begin, you just learn to swim, you can stay at the top, the front, because the water is shallow and mild. And for those who are a bit more advanced, you can go a little bit deeper and venture into the waters. The coral is said to be stunning. The reef has vibrant colors such as green, red, and purple. So the coral reef, and you see a lot of fish and bubble coral, brain coral, and so much more. But please, guys, if you're going to visit the coral, please respect it. We need to protect our sea life as much as possible. You can also do jet ski, take some kayaks out, sail in a hobby cat, go on a catamaran cruise, which is so nice. I did it and it was so worth it. And you can also do a glass bottom boat tour. Horseback riding is also available at 7 Mile Beach. Now you know you're in a Negril is a popular tourist area, so you can get restaurants, visit great restaurants nearby, and just explore the area. Not just as a visitor, but I encourage Jamaicans to explore Negril if you haven't, or revisit, because it's so worth it. Now, I mentioned at the beginning the sunrise and sunset, right? Guys, it's amazing, especially the sunset. You want to get your red stripe beer or coconut water for those who don't drink, and just be there at the time the sun will set and just soak it up. Put on the phone or take a picture if no want, and really immerse yourself in this majestic experience. Now, the best part of 7 Mile Beach is up for debate, right? It could just be the white sand stretching for miles that you can run, walk, and just enjoy on. Or it could be the sparkling crystal clear waters. Or perhaps the starfish lining the shore. Whatever it is, it's something for you to chill, enjoy, soak up. But not just you, you can go solo if you want to, or with your family, because it's known for hosting a lot of families or solo travelers. So, guys, that's it. You can bring your snacks if you want to. But I already told you about the restaurants that you have nearby. You won't have any trouble at 7 Mile Beach just finding a place to hang out and having a good time. The beach has this natural ambience. It's like liquor. It encourages you to just be free and enjoy. It receives rave reviews. And I not just said that because Malivia. Visitors have said it as well. It's something for you to know, to be there, to know. Alright guys, so that's it for the 7 Miles Beach. We're just going to do them one by one. Then we're going to do another series, right? Let us know if you want to see footage of the 7 Mile Beach, and photos we'll post in the community. Let us know if you enjoyed this video. And if you want more like it, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. We're looking forward to it. Alright, have a blessed day or a blessed night, and we'll chat soon. Remember to stay upful, and wishing you God's richest blessings. Later.